Good morning, madam. My name is E. Charan. I am from Triple E Department, Triple A section, and my roll number is 244G50201. And my today's topic is about water saving by using smart drip irrigation system. And we can see how much of water is wasting on agriculture sectors. If how much of water is wasting, and how we can reduce that type of situation. We can see how. This is the introduction about what water saving of agriculture. Water is wasting. Water is a critical input into agriculture. Is nearly accepts having a determining efficiency of equine good seeds and fertilizers fail to achieve the fulfill potential of plants. If we can see, if uh, if some people in agriculture sectors who working in agriculture field, if they will forget to switch off the water motor, if they will continuously waste the water in agriculture sector, and they they more much of water is wasted and flow on the crops, and the crop will if not give to sufficient water, sufficient food, and sufficient seeds or sufficient seeds or sufficient crop will not develop in crops, and they will be occurred in damage is also occurred, and ground damage is also occurred. If 4 to 60 to 70% is problem in is also this is the main problem in agriculture sector. The water waste, the 1% somewhere between 0 to 45 liters is wasted of water in every day. 1% is wasting of 0 to 45 liters every day. How we can imagine the how many how much how many people wasting the water every day? We can imagine it. Stagnation of water. Stagnation of water is nothing but the standing of water in same position some days. The stagnation of water if we can see, the water is standing on the agriculture lands, and crop will also damage, and if they causes, the bacteria will form in agriculture lands, and the plants will die, and if, if plants is not not giving or not good, and ground also, and cropland also will get damaged, and if we can see more much of losses, that is water loss, and crop loss, totally environmental loss is occurred. If we can see effects on waste of water in agriculture, if we can see this type of water is wasting in every day, we can see the future. If there will be no water in future, they will causes dryness of land, and deforestation, and extension of local water bodies. Imbalance of ecosystem will be occurred. How to reduce it? And we can see how to reduce the wasting of water in agriculture sectors. If I introduce the smart drip irrigation system using moisture sensor, this is the smart drip irrigation, and I can use the moisture sensor. It is the water sensing device. If we can insert the ground, if ground, it will be measured the how much of we can set the how much of water will uh, will allow in the ground, and if in case the quantity of range will increase the water, the moisture sensor is senses, and this is the sensor, and this is the controller, and the controller controls the motor, and automatically motor will off, and water is saved, and there is no water will flow on the ground until the water get dried, and there is no moisture in ground. If the moisture sensor automatically and water will flow it again, the controller is turned on, and the motor also turned on, and water is flowing. Uh, Water is flowing. The water is supplied to the water is supplied to the crops. There will be no damage. There will be no damage occurred in agriculture sector, and we can save the water as well as the crops also saved by using the smart drip irrigation. There will be more uses in on it. This is I can study the case study, and I got the problem solution on it. We can use the mobile also. We can control the water drip irrigation. Not only this way, we can see more number of methods to use the water will the water is stop the water is not get to be wasted. Sorry, we can use the mobile also. We can control the water levels by using this type of IoT system. This IoT based water or smart drip irrigation. Before and after, we can see the result of this system. We can introduce. We can executed in really life, and it is the executed experiment in my college. Thank you, madam.